2026. Unfortunately, our time at the show is coming to a close, but that doesn't mean that your time with us has to come to a close. We thought it was a fantastic ISE. We're really happy with how it all turned out, and we have tons of content here at the booth, along with content with our partners that we shot. So if you want to get caught up on everything that we did at ISE, you can totally do that. It's all going to be on our YouTube page here, so you don't even have to go anywhere. You can just click on the next video in the corner or over to the right. There should be recommended videos from us for ISE 2026. But we really would like to give a shout out to all of our fans. You guys are the backbone that drives this company. We were able to get some awards this year. Some awards is not really accurate. We got 4 awards this year, which is amazing. Some of our products have been getting a lot of traction, and we hope that you're as excited about 8K as we are. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to keep driving on the content out to you, so keep posted. You're going to see more of it between this last day of ISE and some of the coming days of next week. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys at the next trade show. Thanks, and have a wonderful evening.